Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hire an employee. I'm signed in as an HR specialist, and I just received paperwork to hire a new employee, Jennifer O'Malley. I want to choose specific sections to enter only the necessary information. If the company best practice requires always entering certain information, the flow can be configured to always show those sections, and I wouldn't even see this page. First, I'll select a legal employer. Then, I'll enter Jennifer's personal details and national identifier. Since I selected the US1 legal entity, the system defaults the country to United States. When I leave the personal details section, the system performs a duplicate search. If Jennifer had previously worked for the company, she'd have an existing record I could select. Then, I could go through the rehire an employee process, and the system would create a new work relationship for me. Next, I'll enter her phone and email information. Then, I'll enter Jennifer's address information. If there's more than one valid address, the system will display a list for me to choose from to make sure I've got the right one. Once I enter her street address and zip code, the system will automatically populate the city, state, and county. I'll enter her legislative info, and then her citizenship info. Jennifer will be working as a buyer in our Chicago office. However, she'll be working from her home in Dallas. And her manager will be Calvin Roth. Jennifer will bring her I-9 with her on her first day. I'll assign Jennifer to the semi-monthly payroll and do a tax reporting unit. Then, I'll enter her salary information. Jennifer will be making an annual salary of $55,000. Once I enter her salary, I can see her salary range position as well as what quartile she's in. All of Jennifer's information looks correct, so I'm ready to submit. When she starts next week, I can go in and add any information I'm missing. This concludes the Hiring an Employee tutorial. Thank you.